I want to talk about problems in Santa Cruz: drugs, safety, and homelessness, which I recognize are not all the same thing. One does not necessarily mean the other. Yesterday, I attended a panel that had the mayors of Santa Cruz counties. A hot topic was homelessness, and during that topic, it was brought up about drugs and safety. I shared a story, and others shared their own, of a time when I was walking down the street and this individual had a previous history of like behavior, that was walking down the street, literally waving a knife back and forth while I was walking my two very young kids, and continued. We had to get out of the way. I called the police and I was told, because I was not stabbed and because this individual did not state these words, "I am going to stab you," that it was not against the law. That's not okay with me. I believe lives in a camp at a park very close to my home. That doesn't make me feel safe. People were talking about safety and drug use, about how it's out of control in our community, as it is in many other places. It's not safe for a community to be concerned to go to downtown because they're afraid their kids are going to see somebody passed out with a needle in their arm. It's not safe for a community to be afraid to take their little kids down to the beach because you don't want them stepping on a needle. And I want to make this clear. It's not that I just don't want to see it. I want this problem to be fixed because I don't want my kid to grow up and be exposed to this and fall victim to it. That's why I care. And the question that was posed was, look, in previous years, the majority of people, or at least the people that are making policies, have leaned in the direction of leniency. The way I took it was enabling policies that do not fix the problem, either usher people around, specifically with homelessness, kick people out of bench lands, and just honestly push them to other locations without any type of solution to the problem. Now, here's what I want to talk about. And the question that was posed was, has the mentality changed in Santa Cruz? Because previously people pushed for these lenient practices. So what do we do, Internet? I ask you, should we start changing our policies and put safety first? Offer people either the support that they need or punish criminal behavior. What say you?